Don't build your dream home until you watch this. Having a hard time finding the perfect home in this low inventory housing market? Hey there, I'm Janice, Ruiz, a realtor with Indy's Home Team. Get ready because I'm about to let you in on the most critical step you absolutely cannot skip before diving into building your dream home. Finding the right builder and the perfect community is essential. The first step, whether you're growing a family, downsizing, relocating, it's about matching your desired activities, lifestyle, and location. Imagine having a community where you feel right at home, engage in activities that bring you joy. That's where I come in. I'll help you navigate through the maze of builders and communities, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your dream home. So before you take the leap and build your new dream home, let's make sure you've explored all of your options. I will help you save time by finding the builder in the community that is perfect for you. Excited to discover what choices await you? Hang tight for part 3, where you'll find an exclusive sneak peek into the decision-making process.